What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. You know, my refrigerator in a grocery haul. Okay, so I just ordered groceries, put it here. And I am about to get to cleaning out this freaking refrigerator because it's a whole mess. And there's, of course, leftover food inside the refrigerator that needed just to get out. And of course, I'm gonna clean up my kitchen, and I have to hang up the shower curtain. And I kind of want to get that bathroom together for when the kids come back. They come back today around 2 o'clock. I am really pushing time today, okay? But you know what? We're gonna get it done because that's what we do. But welcome to today's vlog, and let's get to work. All right, you guys, so this is how the refrigerator is looking for now until the grocery gets here. Then you guys will see the refrigerator. Of course, once I get the groceries, I'll add more stuff, put stuff in there, and I'll add some more stuff to the deep freezer. But this is what it's looking like for now. Had to organize. We have a lot of mayonnaise because my kids love sandwiches, and you can never go wrong with a lot of mayonnaise. Sometimes we just go to the store and forget that we have mayonnaise. And I had to throw away some of the salsas because, y'all, we had a lot. But this is what it's looking like. And like I said, the groceries will be here soon. All right, you guys, so the groceries are all on the counter. It came, and there's some right here on the bottom. It came out to about $400 and something, but I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a grocery haul real quick so y'all can see everything that we got. So I guess I'm gonna start over here and work my way to the side. All right, so we got some Capri Suns. We got what, 3 packs of Capri Suns, so there's 30 pouches. bottles of water, even though we have a filtered water, but I don't know, I like bottled waters too. My kids love macaroni, so I did get the value size along with the regular ones. This is just like if we eat two, we have extra. Also, y'all know formula's hard to come by, but the Walmart brand Parents Choice Gentle Ease formula is just the same as buying the regular Gentle Ease. I got Legendary a couple of baby food jars. He eats table food, but he also eats baby food, and this is good for like snacks and stuff for him as well. We got some bread. We got some ballpark buns, hamburger buns as well. We got some pasta. We got spaghetti noodles, and this is it's all great value. It's a 1 pound pack, so it's like a whole bunch of spaghetti noodles in them. I got 2 of those. We got chicken thighs. I think this one, boneless, skinless. Yes, that one has skin on it, and it's a bigger one. Oh, focus camera. It's a bigger one. And then we got some chicken leg. We got chicken wings, 2 packs of chicken wings. Then I got 2 ground, what is this? 2 3-pound ground beefs, and then 4 little ones. We got some tilapia. I forgot to show you the lemons, a pineapple, some kiwi, watermelon. We just figured it's easier to just buy a big one and cut it up and put in our little containers. We got some hot dogs. I got 2 packs. Well, 2 of them come in a pack, and I got 2 of them, so that's a total of 4. Got some corn. I love this corn, y'all. I got some homemade Alfredo sauce. There's 2 Alfredo sauces as well. We got some burgers, neck bones. My kids asked for it, so neck bones. Got some garlic bread, sticks. This is perfect size for kids. I got the Great Value pack, Great Value vegetable oil, Caesar salad mix. That's for like when Bae goes to work. We got fruit snacks. We got some Great Value cookies. This, I just realized it says peach. Hopefully they don't, they're okay with that. But got Great Values yogurt, especially I use these a lot whenever Aiden takes his medicine. We got some chips, a value pack, and Kaylin loves her hot sauce, y'all. 4 cans of corn. It's supposed to be a pack, but it's not. And then down there we have a pack of green beans. We have some Alfredo sauce. We also got 1, 2, 3 spaghetti sauces, and then I also got this really big traditional one. 2 things of chili, because my kids like Frito pie. They like hot dogs, chili dogs. I got this Great Value minced garlic, red potatoes. This is supposed to be a green. That's the thing, y'all. When you order grocery pickup, it's supposed to be green bell pepper, but it's not. It's okay. But we got a pack of 3. I did want to try something different, which is the Great Value long grain and wild rice. I got 2 of those. I want to try this too, this fried rice, because I have egg rolls in there already. We got some Spanish rice. We got some cheddar broccoli rice. And I don't know why I wanted to try this yellow rice. Let's see how that goes. Got some more cheese, some more sandwich meat, some taco seasoning, rotel sauce. Did not need this big thing. This is another thing, y'all. Between this and this was supposed to be small. This is supposed to be big. And this is supposed to be a big bag. But it is what it is. This is supposed to be a big meal, but it's not. So this is good for like the girls. So that's fine. We got some, fruit cup snacks. These snacks should last them for the whole month, y'all. This is a lot of snacks for them for school. Got some M&M snacks, yogurt, M&M yogurt snacks. That's more so for Kaylin and Maya. Gushers. I also got, I've never seen this, Great Value cheddar cheese crackers. This 8-pack of macaronis, just in case the kids want to have a hot lunch. We got grapes. I showed y'all the shredded cheese. Also got cheese sticks. And then they are taking these tomorrow. They already said it. These little snacker packs. It has cheese, apples, and pretzels like covered in chocolate. So that is everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this grocery haul with all these groceries. I hope you enjoyed the cleaning part as well. If you did, give us a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. Welcome to our channel. Welcome, welcome. I'm Jazz and this is my Jazz Up Life. Let's get to 20K over here, okay? And I will see y'all in our next video. Bye guys.